Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and it's time for a new tutorial. Today I want to show you how to create a Windows whites effect on your images. It's very easy, stay with me and I'll show you. I picked this image from pexels.com, link in the description, and the first thing is to create a window pattern. Let's create a new file and just draw a window pattern on a new layer, of course. Fill it with black color. Maybe something like this. Good. Let's merge these layers. And I suggest you to create a brush from the window shape. Let's select these squares, go to Edit and click Define Brush Preset. Name it window. Okay. And now we have a window brush pattern. Let's pick a white color and just click anywhere you want on the image. Excuse me, on the new empty layer. Okay. Now let's convert this layer to a smart object and let's add some blur. Let's see, maybe 60 is good enough. Okay, now with Control Command T, let's add some perspective. Maybe something like this is good. Okay, now it's time to make the main image a little bit darker. Let's create a new curves adjustment layer and make it a little bit darker. I think it's good. Now let's change the blend mode to the window pattern to soft white. If you want to increase the effect, just duplicate the layer with Ctrl Command J. And now let's select these two layers and group them with Ctrl Command G. And now with opacity you can decrease to be little more realistic. I think it's good. A little more. Okay. Now you can move the group anywhere you want on the image. I think here is good. Okay. And let's see before and after. Maybe you think we're ready, but if you look careful, we will see the reflection on the sunglasses, and the reflection is from maybe from softboxed white. I'm not sure. Let's remove this reflection. I'll duplicate the layer. And with the clone stamp, we'll remove that reflection. Be very careful. Okay. Let's see now before. Let's increase a little bit. Before and after. Of course, you can always adjust the whites on the main image, the shape or the position of the windows, and the final result before and after. This is maybe the most easy way to do the Windows whites effect on your images. I hope you liked the video, subscribe to my channel for more videos and see you soon.